What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan and thank you all for joining. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, because on this channel we work on cars and we have a ton of topics to discuss. Now on this particular episode, there's a question from a Mitchell Sessa. He basically asked, how can I test my truck to be able to know that the bearing in my truck is bad? I push on the gas and go forward, but it clunks. Going forward like it's stuck, but it's not. Please help. So he wants to know what are the signs of a bad wheel bearing, and I wrote down some notes here. That way I can stay on topic and not go off. So straight to the point, Mitchell. Here you go. The first thing is noise. You hear clunking, okay, that's part of it. Also, if you hear like a humming or a wooing, like woo, 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 that is indications of a bad wheel bearing. Another thing you can do is get a mechanic stethoscope, jack the car up, rotate the wheel by hand, and put the stethoscope on it, and you'll be able to hear if there is some kind of noise. Also, another thing you can do is hold the wheel side by side and shake it, and if there's play, your wheel bearing is also loose. Yeah, so basically, Mitchell, those are little things that you can look for when it comes to wheel bearings, especially in the rear as well. But I recommend just jacking it up and doing this, shaking it, seeing if there's any play. Also, just get the stethoscope, have someone turn the wheel for you while you listen carefully. And it's probably just worn out. How many miles do you have in your truck? Let me know in the comment section below. As well as when you are replacing it, make sure you buy a quality part, because you don't want to have to do this job again. Now remember, when it comes to the Avalanche, you do have to remove the axle to get to that wheel bearing. So make sure you drain your diff oil. Make sure you get a gasket or gasket maker to reseal your diff. Make sure you follow my video to a point, to the T, and it'll show you how to do it. You commented under that one video anyway. And if you guys don't know what video I'm talking about, I'll link it up here. But yeah, that's basically it. Let me know if this helped. If it didn't help, leave a comment in the comment section below like you did, and I will try my best to help you more. So yeah, hopefully that helps you with what I just said, and see you for the next episode. Peace, Mitchell.